Hey guys, got a 2021 plate Vauxhall Mokka here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure your ignition is switched on. And then come to the screen in the center of the dash. Now from here, press on the actual time in the top right hand corner. Then go to configuration. Then date and time. And then from here, just click on the time. And then type in what you need. And then once you're done, press the green tick to save. And then you have the option for a 24-hour and a 12-hour clock. And then on the bottom here, it says time and date. If you want to adjust the date, press the date. And then click on the date on the left-hand side. And then put in what date you need and then press back and that will save.